Hey, how's it going? Best Deal Shop here. About to show you a pretty cool item. Check it out. This is Best Deal Shop bringing you another video once more. This video is gonna be talking about the Type-C rapid charger. These Type-C rapid chargers that you see right here on my hands are one of my favorite type of chargers because one, the texture feel. This feeling is really strong, a really strong feeling. And then the protective ends right here are really great. This is a Type-C charger. Works for the Note 10. Works also for the S9, the S10. As you could see, we have a gold and black one as well. Let me show you these that are right here as well. There's a black one. This one's pretty cool also. These are 3-foot chargers right here. Type-C, 2.1 amp, rapid charge, Type-C chargers. Actually right now, if you're watching this video, we're having a special going on. Hopefully you're watching it in time. Alright, Brian Rodriguez, also known as Best Deal Shop, coming to your screen once more on another video. Telling you guys, thanks for watching. Alright. There's so much more to show you that it's just better if you just go ahead and click the link, check out our site. But don't forget to check out the 3 for $10 section and the other category. What is it? The bundles section. That's right. Check it out.
Until the cars block.